Can I sell CDs on Fidelity? The prospect of selling CDs on Fidelity, a renowned financial institution, often piques the interest of investors seeking liquidity or alternative investment strategies. While the platform offers a wide range of investment options, the ability to sell CDs directly within the platform is a topic that frequently arises. Understanding the nuances of selling CDs on Fidelity is crucial for investors seeking to maximize their returns and manage their portfolios effectively. A surprising fact about CDs is that they are not as liquid as many investors might believe. Unlike stocks or bonds, which can be traded on secondary markets at any time, CDs typically have a fixed maturity date. This means that selling a CD before its maturity can result in penalties or a loss of interest. Additionally, the secondary market for CDs can be less active than other financial instruments, limiting the potential for immediate liquidity. Fidelity, however, does offer a limited ability to sell CDs. The platform provides a secondary market for brokered CDs, allowing investors to buy and sell these securities before their maturity. However, it's important to note that the secondary market for CDs can be less liquid than the primary market, meaning there may be fewer buyers and sellers available. As a result, investors may face challenges in finding a suitable counterparty to sell their CDs. When considering selling a CD on Fidelity, investors should be aware of several key factors. First, the price at which a CD can be sold on the secondary market may be different from its original purchase price. This is due to fluctuations in interest rates and other market factors. Second, Fidelity charges a trading fee for selling CDs, which can impact the overall return on the investment. Finally, investors should carefully evaluate the potential risks and rewards associated with selling CDs before making a decision. While Fidelity offers some flexibility in terms of selling CDs, it's important to understand the limitations and potential challenges involved. Investors who are seeking to sell their CDs before maturity should carefully consider the potential impact on their returns and the liquidity of the secondary market. By understanding the nuances of selling CDs on Fidelity, investors can make informed decisions about their investment strategies and maximize their financial goals.